everyone. I am your teacher Sue. In this video, I am going to share one of the grammar units, which is present simple tense. My hope is watching this video will be beneficial to you. You will improve your English and you will enrich your English language. Now, we shall look at the usage of present simple tense. As I mentioned earlier, present simple tense expresses something that happens often in the present, like every day, every week, or every month. Okay, now we shall look at the first usage. We use present simple tense to describe habits or a repeated action. It's happening every day. My mother usually eats nasi lemak for breakfast. See, my mother eats. Okay, my mother, singular subject. So, you must use a singular verb. And the word usually is an indicator that it is happening every day. So, you know, you should use either eat or eats in present tense. But here, this is a singular subject, so you must use a singular verb. My mother eats. My mother usually eats nasi lemak for breakfast. The second usage is to talk about general truths. When there is a general truth, we must use present simple tense. Okay, look at this example. The sun rises. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. This is a general truth. We got to use present simple tense. The third usage is to give instructions or directions. When we are directing someone to do something, we must use simple present tense. Like this. You walk straight for 50 meters. This one should be in present simple tense. You cannot say you walking, you walked, you will walk. It is wrong. We are directing someone, we are giving instruction. You go straight. Okay, you turn left. You open the cap. You take the tin. Let's say you are giving instruction to do something. Okay, get the can. You open the cover of the can. You take out something from the can. You are giving. So everything should be in simple present tense. Cannot use past tense. Cannot use future tense. Cannot use continuous tense. To give instruction, you must use simple present tense or present simple tense. You walk straight for 50 meters, then you turn right. Both the verbs are in present simple tense. We move on to the fourth usage, to talk about something that is fixed in the future. Something that is fixed. The train leaves at 8 a.m. It is fixed. The schedule says that the train leaves at 8 a.m. Okay? So for this, you must also use present simple tense. The train leaves at 8 a.m. Hurry up. Okay. There is some indicator when you look at the sentence. When you speak also, you know, here you must use simple present tense. Okay, these are the time expression to help you to decide whether you should use present simple or present past or present future. Okay, these are the helping words, time expression, always, usually, often, sometimes, every day, every week. This is very easy. When you see every day, you know. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, present simple tense expresses things happening like every day, every week. Okay, so you know, you must use present simple tense. Okay, always, usually, often, sometimes, every day, every week, on Sundays, after school, every day this is happening. Okay, so these time expressions will help you to decide the verbs, whether it should be in present tense or otherwise. So, these are the helping time expressions. for present simple tense. Now, let us practice some exercises to reinforce our understanding. Look at the first one. Look at the first sentence. There is this word always. Always is already an indicator that this sentence is in present simple tense. So, you got only one thing to remember. Okay, you must use present simple tense, but now you got to decide whether you are going to use a singular verb or a plural verb. Okay, look at the subject here. The subject here is my father. My father is a singular subject. Singular subject carries a singular verb. So, this verb, the word bring, is in the plural form. Bring is a plural verb we use for plural subject. So, you got to use the singular verb in the singular form. So, my father always brings us for vacation. My father brings. Always is an indicator that the blank should be filled in with a simple present tense verb. And my father, singular subject, so we use a singular verb. We move on to the second question. Does Shahira is a singular subject. So this is correct. We must use does. We cannot use do. So the sentence is correct. The beginning of the sentence, does Shahira, correct. Okay, we cannot use do because Shahira is one person. Does Shahira. Okay, now our problem is whether to use the word read in the singular form or plural form. Whether we want to use read or reads. Okay. Shahira, sometimes we make mistake. Okay, Shahira, one person, we must use reads. This is wrong. This is wrong. If the word does is not given, if this is not a question sentence, the question mark is not given, then you can say Shahira reads storybooks every day, full stop. But this is in the form of a question. Does Shahira? So the answer should be read. Does Shahira read storybooks every day? Does she read? Does he read? Does Shahira read? Does Amir read? We move on to the third question. He do or does not visit his parents often. Probably he's in overseas. He's working very far from the parents. So he cannot get to meet the parents always. So he is a singular subject. So you cannot be confused. By now, you must be very clear already. I have been repeating this many times already. Okay, he, singular subject, singular, I have mentioned, must have a S. He does, she does, it does. At the beginning, I've already explained. Okay, so he does not visit his parents often. Number 4, do or does they. So, what must we look at? We must look at the subject first. The subject is they. They is a plural subject. Plural subject should agree with a plural verb. Plural subject, we use a plural verb. So here, they, we must use do. Do they help you with the housework? Probably your auntie asking your mom about you or your siblings, okay? Okay, do they help you with the housework? We cannot use does. Does is a singular verb. Do is a plural verb. Do they help you? You don't break the word, help you, very difficult to pronounce. Help you. Help you. Do they help you with the housework? The last question, the children. The children, you see, this is the subject. Okay, the children. Children shows more than one kid. More than one, many children. Okay, the children. Okay, the option given is, the word given is visit. So, the children, plural subject carries a plural verb. Okay, so here, the children know as, okay, visit. The children visit their grandparents on Sundays. So what you got to remember here is, singular subject, you must use a singular verb. Plural subject, use a plural verb. Kamu mesti ingat ini. Lepas ini tak boleh silap. Okay, bila kamu tengok ni singular, gunakan S. Okay, ini satu indicator untuk kamu, satu bantuan, satu clue untuk kamu. Okay, bila ada always, bila ada everyday, okay, tengok semua ini menunjukkan kita mesti gunakan present simple tense. So, kita punya kekeliruan dua sahaja. Apa perkataan yang kita keliru? Mana nak letak S, mana tak nak letak S. Ini saja. Kita tak akan keliru dengan past tense tu semua, kita letak tepi dahulu. Sekarang kita nak mahir present simple tense. Verb itu kita keliru. Mana nak, kenapa sekejap ada S, kenapa sekejap tak ada S. So you mesti fokus. Kalau ramai, tak boleh guna S pada kata kerja itu. Macam di sini kan. Yang ini my father seorang. Seorang, singular subject. Satu orang, okay. Satu orang mesti ada S. Ramai, bila ramai, tak boleh guna S. Mesti kamu tengok beberapa kali video ini untuk pemahaman yang lebih baik. Selalu kita confuse. Kita confuse apa? Kenapa sekejap ada S? Kenapa sekejap tak ada S? Kita tak faham? Letak sajalah, tak boleh macam tu. Saya dah terang dengan sangat jelas. Kalau plural subject, tak ada S. Kalau singular subjects, ada S. Dan kenapa kita tahu ini ialah present simple tense? Kita ada beberapa perkataan yang membantu kita dalam ayat itu. Contohnya ayat pertama, kita ada perkataan always. Present simple tense ini ialah berlaku setiap hari, setiap bulan, yang berlaku berulang-ulang kali. Okay, so perkataan-perkataan seperti ini membantu kita. Always, lepas tu kita ada everyday, lepas tu kita ada often, lepas tu kita ada on Sundays. Dan mesti ingat, yang ini jangan silap. Kalau kamu guna does, sudah ada satu S di sini, tak boleh ada lagi satu S pada kata kerja. Does, sini tak ada S. We have come to the end of the video. I hope you have benefited from the contents of this video. If there is a need for better understanding, you should watch the video a few more times. Till I meet you in another session, bye from me, Teacher Sue. See you, take care and bye.